Okay, in today's video, we're just going to take a look at one of the setups that came up in the breakout session. That's where I allow people to give me requests of stocks they want to look at. We'll start with a blank chart, and we'll see if there's a setup. And in the case of CSCO, there was, or we did find a couple of setup zones. We're on top of the first one now for a decision, and it comes in at the 41.63 to 42.55 area. It includes the confluence of 6 price relationships. It's not a very tight cluster, but this general area, as long as we hold within this general area, we want to go down to a lower time frame chart and look for nearby triggers. And if it does hold this general area, we're going to be looking for an extension as an upside target, so somewhere around or just over the $47 area. Now, if we end up testing the lower support instead, then we would end up running the 1272 extension from that low, which would give us a higher target because it does include, more of a swing into this deeper low. So bottom line, I'm looking at either this support or this support to potentially hold, and I'm looking for buy triggers against that. And my risk definition is going to be, below the zone. All right, so that's something to check out, see if it maybe triggers on a 30-minute chart. I don't know that it has. Let me just double check it really quick. So we're going to look at a 30-minute and see if we've had, I don't think we've had the crossover, but yeah, we're not anywhere near triggering an entry just yet. So bottom line, I use typically either the 15 or the 30-minute chart for a moving average crossover with the 834 EMA combo. And I also want to see in the process a pattern shift, which means I also want to see it take out a prior swing high. So again, that's what I'm watching. We'll see if it triggers in the next day or so.